for a question on arrays by Beverly Viava Smith. Task analysis is the process of breaking a skill down into smaller, more manageable components. Once a task analysis is complete, it can be used to teach learners a skill that may be too challenging to teach all at once. It is therefore great for teaching skills that require a sequence of tasks to complete. Answering a question on arrays is one such task that contains subtasks. Analysis in this section. Identifying the target skill, identifying the prerequisite skill of the learner, and breaking the skill into components. Identification of the target skill or task. A one-dimensional array called family is used to store the number of children in each of 4 families. Part A. What type of data will be stored in this array? Part B. What is the size of this array? Part C. Draw the array in the box below. Part D. Declare the array family. And Part E. Assign 6 children to the 4th family. Usually questions are given with which this is located. This is located within Lesson 5 of Section 3, Program Implementation. This task attempts to ensure students understand the structure of an array by being able to create the required array based on the problem given, by drawing it, declaring it, and by assigning values to it. An array is used to store a collection of data or variables of the same data type. Students need to understand that it is a better and more of the prerequisite skills of the learner. To complete this task, the learner should be aware of elementary data types, understand the structure of a one-dimensional array, comprehend the given information to determine the size of the array needed, know how to reduce the skill into components. Task: be aware of elementary data types. Breaking that down, we get from reading the introduction, one-dimensional array called family, to the question, the student should deduce that the name of the array is family. Used to store the number of children. From that introductory part, a student can deduce that the array stores numbers, whole numbers, because the number of children could never be 3.5, for example. Therefore, the array stores integers. Question Part B. Comprehend the given information to determine the size of the array needed. In each of 4 families, understand the structure of a one-dimensional array. Be able to draw the array from the information given and accurately label it. Draw a structure of 5 columns and 2 rows. The first row to be used to store the array elements, and the second row to be used for the index values. Into the first row, first column, place the name of the array, family, as can be seen in the diagram. Into the second row, first column, place the word index. Into the second row, second, third, fourth, and fifth columns, place in square brackets the number 1, 2. Answer for part D, which is no, to declare a one-dimensional array of a specific size. When I break down that task, we get know that declarations occur in the var section of a program. So first the student could write var. Know that after var comes the name of the array followed by a colon. So the name of the array is family, and then we follow it with a colon. This is followed by the data type, in this case array 1 ... X of data type, where X is the size of the array and data type is the kind of data that the array will store. So then we have var family colon array to know how to assign a value to a specific location within the array. So breaking down the task, recall that this is the structure of the array here as seen in the diagram. When assigning values to a specific location within an array, we must know the location we want to store the item into. Using the information from the question, assign 6 children to the 4th family, we should deduce that the value to be stored is 6 and that the location to store that value is in family 4 or location 4. The syntax to assign a value to an array location is array name, open square brackets, X, close square brackets, colon equal, that is the assignment statement there, value, semicolon. Significance of task analysis to my practice. Through task analysis, a teacher can use this to assist slower learners or learners who have found difficulty moving from one concept to another within a task. It makes the subtasks much clearer for both the teacher and students. It allows the teacher to analyze the prerequisites needed for the task at hand and determine if the students are ready to attempt